Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another StarLine on this brand new Toyota Proace diesel. Customers were paranoid about the contents in the back and obviously in the front, so we fitted this system where we fitted an impact sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor, door protection and a PIR in the back. So I'm going to show you how it works. So customer, when he leaves the vehicle, he just zaps it, gets one bleep, one flash. When he comes back to the vehicle, hits the remote control, 2 bleeps, 2 flashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arm it, wait for it to set, and I'm going to apply force to the vehicle. So there we've received what we call a pre-warn. So that means I haven't applied enough force on it. So I'm going to apply actually a stronger force now. So there you go. So now if anyone applies a force to the vehicle, opens the doors, the alarm going to go trigger. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open the side door and I'm going to show you the PIR. So I'm actually going to open the door and put it in the lock position. So there you go, I put it in the lock position now and I've opened the side door and I'm going to arm it. There you go, I think it should be set now. So let's just try and enter the vehicle. So there you go. As I said, we fitted a PIR in the back. I'm just going to show you that quickly. Also inside we fitted the LED. Obviously you can see it here now, so I'm just going to arm it just so you can see it working. There you go, flashing away. Obviously it's on and flashing when the system is on, and then when you disarm it, you'll see the light will go out. Hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called the London Car Alarm Company. This is a StarLine E96 fitted on this Toyota Proace diesel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.